Today we are very honored to present here the Plug and Play event. We are Igloo, and we are on-demand plug and play digital insurance platforms for the digital economies. And here is a snapshot. So we are the first and only licensed insurtech in the region to have a LeBron certified general insurance and reinsurance license. And we are the leader in the region for the B2B2C insurance model, where we have distributed more than 40 million unique policies in the last 2 years through our digital partners. And most of them are transit and electronic and personal accident insurance products. So we work very closely with the insurers and partners to develop customer-centric products that satisfy the needs of the customers. So we have a very strong footprint in the region, and we have business in Thailand, Philippines, Indonesia, and Singapore. And also we're expanding to Vietnam, Malaysia, Hong Kong, and Australia very soon. So for insurance partners, you will see a few big names like Allianz, Sampo, and Zurich, and also a few more regional players. For the commercial partners, for now, most of our commercial partners are e-commerce platforms. Probably you heard of Lazada, Shopee, and Tmall. And we also have hotel chains like Red Doors and shipping retailers like ShipIt. And we are also working closely with telecom companies and banks. And we are launching some products with them in the next few months. So this is our product philosophy. We do on-demand lifestyle protection for your everyday needs, where we start coverage for e-commerce, the shippings and damages and so on. And then we send the coverage to smartwatch, laptop, tablet, and single disease and travel. And now we are actively expanding to more business lines like automobiles, smart home, life and health, and SME business. So all these is to build a broader ecosystem. And all these things are done with a very powerful system behind. So we have a cloud-based system that is driven by big data and machine learning that does fraud detection, dynamic premium, automated processing, and so on. And all these policies are distributed through our own app, so the Igloo app, or the API gateways of our partners. And we build the dashboards and claim portals for our partners to do underwriting and claims. And you can have data visualization, real-time risk monitoring, and policy management on these platforms. So here is how it looks like. So suppose you work with us to do some products on some platform. We'll provide you this kind of dashboard. So we will do the difficult work to integrate with partners to get millions of data every month and show all these summarized numbers in real time, so you can better manage the product instead of the more traditional way that you only receive data once a month and have nothing in control. And also, because all these are real-time integration, so you will have all these policy details for you to review. And also you can do some management here, for example, to provide coverage, reject coverage, approve a claim, reject a claim, or ask for more information for the claim. And all these can be done on this platform. So here are some highlights. In the last few years, we have more than 8 major e-commerce platform contracts. And we are also expanding actively into telecom companies, banks, hotel chains, and shipping retailers, and all these various digital partners. We have distributed more than 40 million policies in the last 2 years across multiple platforms. And for now, most of them are in Indonesia, but we are also expanding to other countries in the region. So our key capacity compared to other competitors is that we provide a full stack service where we can manage everything almost end-to-end. We do the partner integrations and some KYC online, and we provide you a full plug-and-play solution that is ready to use, including a smart claim management system, where we automate probably 80 to 90% of the claims without human intervention. And because we also have experts in insurance, risk management, finance, so we also have a proprietary dynamic pricing model and real-time risk engine model for you. So that's all our presentation. If any questions, please let us know. Thank you.
And little trick to know your audience. I know it's a little plug and play. Yeah, very nice. So you had no like, if you had to like wipe the slate clean and start again and create like an insurance company, is Igloo what you'd come up with?
Yeah, I mean, it's 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 hard not to be a fan of them. They recently announced a new round of funding, close to Series A plus, that brings their total amount of funding up to roughly 20 million. They were funded in 2016 by Wei Zhu, which is the former CTO of Grab, the ride-hailing company in Singapore, right? And they're doing everything right. Igloo's insurance products are already benefiting 15 million customers and effectively protecting over 50 million transactions. That's 50. And so what's really interesting about them is their ability to provide what's known as insurance in a box, which is essentially a digital startup toolkit designed to enable insurance, the incumbents, to fast track their data capturing and product deployment. So insurance in a box leverages APIs, software as a service, and the cloud to fast track product development, as well as integrations with other platforms for the digital distribution. And so it effectively provides the resources for the incumbents to be up to date with modern digital offerings. It's amazing.
Wow. Yeah, so it's like this bolt-on capability that propels you into the digital age with all of the various linkages that one needs. And then, I mean, the other side of it is with insurance, like penetration so low. You know, on the healthcare side, we often talk about issues of accessibility, and insurance as a social good. Maybe you could talk about like what does this enable on the social side?
Yeah, great question. I mean, we always remind ourselves that insurance is here to protect those that need protection, right? I mean, we're taking care of the most vulnerable, and which is why it's such a noble industry. With COVID-19 impacting every facet of personal life and business, digitization can help the world adjust to this new normal, right? And when it comes to insurance, all the strategies actually went from either in person or perhaps digital being important to digital only, right? And you mentioned penetration. Digital insurance penetration in the region is only 6%. It's extremely low. So Igloo's digital insurance offering, together with the distribution networks and the partners, in which is why we love InsurTech so much, because it's about the partnering with the incumbents and with the other companies, can make insurance available at any time, anywhere, so that consumers can assess whether or not they need coverage, but they have the optionality to have it.
Wow, and that's an interesting linkage up with Craypass, which was the first one. Which is all right. So now we've actually got the tools to reach the customer, but also assess whether they're a risk that we can cover.